Have you ever wondered why your emails are going into the spam folder or if they're not being delivered? Well, Google Postmaster gives you the opportunity to dig into your deliverability metrics, if you have any bad IPs, or if you have any sending accounts that might be misbehaving. This is probably going to show up as long as you send enough volume inside of Google Postmaster. We have a direct connection to Google Postmaster Tools. And from here, I can take a look at my sending domains and I can see which ones have a high spam rate. I can track what's my overall spam rate on a day-to-day basis, track the trends, see if my spam rate is going down. You really want to shoot for a spam rate less than 0.3 or 0.4%. And we can also tell which IPs are problematic that we're sending from, our domain reputation overall, um, and if we are authenticating all of our emails correctly. So here there's some emails that are passing SPF but are failing DMARC. These are the types of things that we need to know in order to be able to um, diagnose deliverability problems. I'm going to just check to see if maybe our mail server isn't speaking TLS correctly, but everything over here seems fine. What I do is I use this to take a look at the spam rate, take a look at the IP reputation, and I decide at some point, is this particular domain burned, or do I need to create a new domain in order to be able to continue to send emails? You want to take a look both at your IP and your domain reputation. And when these things get damaged, you will probably want to dispose of the domain.